If you've heard about ChatGPT, but not exactly sure of how it could be of practical use, we've got you covered with 20 ways you can use ChatGPT. So if you're interested, just keep on watching, for in this video we'll show you 20 uses of ChatGPT. Before we start, please give this video a like and share it so it could reach more people. And let's get started. Artificial intelligence products have seen a meteoric rise within the last few years. We've been wowed by AI writing tools, AI text-to-image generators, and even AI self-portraits. Now, ChatGPT, an AI chatbot that is taking the internet by storm, is giving us a glimpse into the potential of AI technology. ChatGPT is a popular language model because it is able to generate human-like text. People find it amusing because it can respond to prompts in a way that seems almost like a conversation with a real person. Additionally, because of its ability to generate text, it can be used in a variety of applications, such as language translations, text summarization, and question answering. So now, here are 20 uses of ChatGPT. Starting off with number 1, content creation for marketing and advertising. ChatGPT can be used to generate compelling ad copy, product descriptions, and social media posts. It can be trained on companies' branding and messaging to ensure that the generated content aligns with the company's voice and style. Number 2, email and message generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate emails and messages for customer service, sales, and personal use. It can be trained on specific email templates, such as follow-up emails and thank you notes, to ensure that the generated content is relevant and appropriate. Third, news article generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate news articles on a specific topic, which can be used for content marketing or to quickly update a news website. It can be trained on a wide range of news sources and can be used to generate articles on current events, sports, and entertainment. Fourth, text generation for video games. ChatGPT can be used to generate dialogue and storylines for video games. It can be trained on existing game scripts and can be used to generate new content for games, such as side quests or character interactions. Number 5, text generation for customer service chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to generate responses for customer service chatbots, which can handle a wide range of customer queries. It can be trained on customer service scripts and can be used to generate responses to common customer questions, such as shipping information or return policies. Number 6, text generation for virtual assistants. ChatGPT can be used to generate responses for virtual assistants, which can help users do tasks such as scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and making phone calls. It can be trained on a wide range of tasks and can be used to generate responses that are helpful and easy to understand. Number 7, text generation for financial analysis. ChatGPT can be used to generate financial reports and analysis, such as earning reports, stock market analysis, and financial forecasting. It can be trained on financial data and can be used to generate reports that are accurate and easy to understand. Number 8, text generation for legal documents. ChatGPT can be used to generate legal documents, such as contracts, legal briefs, and court transcripts. It can be trained on legal language and can be used to generate documents that are legally binding and easy to understand. Number 9, text generation for scientific research. ChatGPT can be used to generate scientific papers, lab reports, and data analysis. It can be trained on specific data and can be used to generate reports that are accurate and easy to understand. Number 10, text generation for creative writing, such as screenplays, poetry, and short stories. ChatGPT can be used to generate creative writing that is engaging and compelling. It can be trained on a wide range of literature and can be used to generate new and original stories, characters, and settings. 11. Write a Twitter thread. ChatGPT can write a Twitter thread. It can generate text for multiple tweets in a sequence, depending on the prompt and the amount of text requested. It can also generate a thread of tweets with a specified topic and style, such as humorous or informative thread. 12. Write a novel. ChatGPT can write a novel, but it may require significant amounts of text as input and fine-tuning to generate a coherent and consistent narrative. A novel is a long and complex text that tells a story and develops characters, themes, and the plot. It requires a high level of coherence, consistency, and creativity. 13. Guest speaker Q&A prompts. ChatGPT can write guest speaker Q&A prompts. It can generate questions for a guest speaker based on a specific topic or an area of expertise, as well as generate answers from a guest speaker's perspective. The model can be fine-tuned on a dataset of similar Q&A prompts, which would help it generate more coherent and consistent prompts. 14. Naming things. ChatGPT can be used to generate names for things. It can generate names for products, businesses, organizations, and even fictional characters. It can take a specific prompt, such as generate a name for a new brand of toothpaste, and generate a list of names that are relevant to the prompt. Number 15. Text generation for automated reporting. ChatGPT can be used to generate automated reports on a wide range of topics, such as website analytics, financial reports, and inventory management. 16. Text generation for educational and training materials. ChatGPT can be used to generate educational materials, such as lesson plans and quizzes, and training materials, such as job aids and tutorials. Number 17. Text generation for content optimization. ChatGPT can be used to generate optimized titles, descriptions, and meta tags for web pages to improve their visibility in search engines. Number 18. Text generation for creating personalized email campaigns. ChatGPT can be used to generate personalized email campaigns by training it on specific email templates and then fine-tuning it to generate emails that align with specific target audience. Next, 19. Text generation for chatbot training. ChatGPT can be used to generate training data for chatbots, which can help the chatbot understand and respond to a wide range of customer queries. And lastly, number 20. Text generation for creating personalized product recommendations. ChatGPT can be used to generate personalized product recommendations by training it on customer data and purchase history. Overall, with proper training and fine-tuning, ChatGPT can generate text that is accurate, relevant, and helpful, making it a valuable tool for businesses, organizations, and individuals. Additionally, it can help you to be creative and come up with new ideas and possibilities. And there you have it, 20 uses of ChatGPT. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
have you ever got your Facebook ad account banned for no reason? Unable to run campaigns and have limited outreach campaigns for clients? Can't post in groups and forums? And are you tired of all the logging in and out and OTPs all day? And want to work with your team but you can't? Well, for all this trouble running marketing campaigns, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the ultimate multi-login, multi-account, and anti-detect marketers browser. Logi Browser, the growth hacker's favorite browser. With Logi Browser, you can run multiple ad accounts, multi-account social media, blogs, and group marketing campaigns while keeping your accounts safe. So if you're going to be an internet marketer, if you're a growth hacker, or if you're running an agency or any kind of ad accounts, this product is absolutely vital for you. So go ahead and try it out. Just go to logi.in. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.